Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Yoga Tab 11, and today I'll show you how you can boot the device into safe mode. So to get started, we're going to hold our power button, and then once you see your boot options, you want to hold power off. This will then change into reboot to safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on OK. This will initiate a reboot, and once the device boots back up, it will be in safe mode. Now, in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily turned off and will not be able to run on its own, or, well, neither will you be able to turn it on. And that is strictly designed so you can troubleshoot your device. If you have some kind of app that is causing you problems, put it into this mode and hopefully the problem stops persisting, so you can fix it at that point. Now, obviously this will only apply to some kind of problems that are caused by applications, as an example, and not if, for instance, your screen is broken. Putting it into safe mode won't fix your screen. Now, as you can see, once the device boots up, it gives you the safe mode marking right here, and also you can see some of the apps that are just kind of grayish tone now to it, like Netflix. And oh, there we go, photos as well. So if you try to open up these applications, it gives you this pop-up, download apps disabled in safe mode. Now, I'm not exactly sure why photos is part of that, but okay. And also, as you can see, widgets don't work. Now, with this being said, once you're done with your safe mode, you can go back to the normal one by holding the power button and then selecting restart. Once the device boots back up again, it will go back to normal mode. So with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.